Students, in previous class, I can give an example for homework, but so this is very important example, students. Very important example for 2 marks. So in this example, what we have to do that? So first, in tan inverse is there. Here in the bracket, we get tan function. So we get tan function, then tan inverse tan get cancelled. So we directly did not get the tan function. Here, divide through it by either by sin x or by cos x. So divide through it by sin x is nothing but there is a no tan x function here. Cot x is there. There is a no formula for cot function. So here divide through it by cos. In that our what is our formula? So tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Instead of this cos x function, we form 1. That's why divide this trigonometric function divide through it by both numerator as well as denominator. Is clear that? So students, in this example, divide both numerator and denominator by cos x function. Cos x function, then we'll get tan inverse of, that is equal to cos x by cos x is equal to 1 minus sin x by cos x is equal to tan x whole divided by cos x by cos x is 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x. So here there is I can take 1, not a problem. So here, so what is your formula? Tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. What is your x1? Your y is x. So apply that formula. Tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of x is 1 minus tan inverse of y. What is your y? Tan x. Okay. Now what is the value of tan inverse of 1? In which angle the value of tan is 1? Pi by 4. That's why I take tan inverse of 1 equal to pi by 4 minus. Here tan inverse and tan get cancelled. The answer should be x. This is the answer. 2 marks. Very simple question, but this is very important. That's why I solved this question. Okay? Note down, students. And the next examples are, ninth one, same, simplest form. Ninth one example, I can write tan inverse of, ninth one, tan inverse of 1 divided by root of a square minus 1 divided by, no, this is x divided by, sorry, x divided by root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square. So here see that in the bracket we get tan function, then tan and tan inverse get cancelled. Here there is a put x equal to, what is that? Tan theta. Here put x equal to tan theta. Then a square minus tan square theta. There is no formula. So here a is there. So put x equal to a with angle, trigonometric angle. So I can take here put x equal to sin theta. X equal to a sin theta. Here a sin theta divided by a square minus a square sin square theta. Take a square as a common. Then a get cancelled. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Square and cos get cancelled. Remaining cos. Sin by cos is tan. Direct answer. Is clear that? So students, in this example, we'll put x is equal to what is that? A sin theta. Put x equal to a sin theta. Put x equal to a sin theta. Then this implies that, what is that? Conversion. So sin theta is equal to, what is that? X divided by a. Sin theta keep as it is. So x divided by a, or theta is equal to sin inverse of x divided by a. Is clear that? So that is equal to your step tan inverse of x is nothing but a sin theta. x is nothing but a sin theta whole divided by root of a square minus x is nothing but a sin theta. X square is nothing but it's a square, that is nothing but a square sin square theta. Is clear that? Here in numerator term take a as a common or a square as a common, sin theta as it is. Here also a square, here also a square. Take a square in outside the bracket, outside the root will get a in the bracket root of 1 minus sin square theta. Is clear that? Here a square take common from root, so here a. So a and a get cancelled. The step is tan inverse of sin theta divided by root of 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Cos square theta. Here root and square is get cancelled. The remaining answer tan inverse of sin theta divided by here root and square get cancelled, that is cos theta. Root and square get cancelled, that is cos theta. So that is equal to tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse tan get cancelled. Answer is theta. Theta is nothing but already we find that theta is equal to sin inverse of x divided by a. Sin inverse of x divided by a. So this is very easy example. So write down students. Put x equal to here a is there. Put x equal to a is nothing but a square take common is nothing but a square take common. Here also a get cancelled. So in this type of example we'll put x equal to a into that trigonometric angle. It's clear that? So another example is there. So try yourself. That is also very easy example. That is also very easy example. I can give some hint. Write down. Tan inverse of the number is I think 10. Tan inverse of 3a square x. Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. A cube minus 3ax square. This is very easy. Already we solved this example as a tan 3 theta formula. Here put x equal to tan theta. Then what will get? 3a square tan square theta minus a cube tan cube theta. Here a square, here a cube is there. Here also a cube as it is. Here put x equal to tan theta is 3a tan theta. Here also a cube and a. There is no common term. So here also a cube, here also a cube, here also a cube, here also a cube. So take a cube as a common, then remaining. That's why we put x equal to a tan theta. Put x equal to a tan theta means a square into a tan theta. Here also a cube. X cube is nothing but a cube tan theta, a cube. Take a cube as a common. Here a cube as it is minus 1 minus 3x square. So 3a as it is, x square is nothing but a square tan square theta. Here a cube take common. Then tan 3 theta is the formula. Get cancel 3 into theta. 3 into theta is nothing but tan inverse of x by a. Same as this. Okay. In this example, I can give some hint. Put x equal to a tan theta. We'll get that. Is clear that? Try students yourself. The next part. What is your next part? Write down the questions. Find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of following. Each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Okay, find the value of each of the following. So example number 11th one. Example number 11th one. What is the example? Tan inverse of in the bracket. Tan inverse of in the bracket. 2 cos in the bracket. 2 sin square. 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. This is the simplification example, find the value of this term. So here tan inverse of this term we don't know. So to cos this angle is also we don't know. So we will come from right hand side. And so it's very easy. We know sin inverse of 1 by 2. Then solve first this bracket, solve this bracket, then final this bracket. Is clear that? So that is equal to, students, tan inverse as it is, 2 cos also as it is in the bracket, 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but, in which angle the value of sin is 1 by 2? Pi by 6. Sin 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2. So the answer is pi divided by 6. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 6. Is clear that? Here 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Okay, remaining tan inverse of 2 cos in the bracket will get pi by 3. Clear that, students? 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6, then pi by 3. So then the value of cos pi by 3 is cos 60 degree. Tan inverse of 2 into cos 60 degrees, 1 divided by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, tan inverse of 1. The value of tan inverse of 1 is nothing but tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi divided by 4 is the answer. Pi divided by 4 is the answer. Very simple example. So first we'll come from right hand side. First we'll solve this function, then this function, then finally this function. Is clear? Very simple example. Next example, 12th one. Already we solved this type of example. Find the value of what is the function? Cot of tan inverse of A plus cot inverse of A. Very simple example. Already we solved this type of example. Is clear that? So this is your 1. This is your 1. Home. Okay. Right now.